Hello everyone, this is Z66 or Zakai, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic, and I hope you enjoy the upcoming video. And feel free to take a moment to look around the channel while you're here. I hope you enjoy my videos. I do a little bit of everything. Automotive repair, tools, which is, like my Premature evaluation series, my full review series of ride the pony reviews, along with tool recovery, where I go to repair broken or damaged tools, anatomy of failure, what I discuss failures in a system and go over them, and of course, my new series of World of Finance, where I talk about, fun things like financing guns and general financial information. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe at the bottom, and remember, I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Goodbye. Hello everyone, it's E66, your underpaid, undertrained insurance mechanic, and we have Mac Tools. Mac Tools, item number WSC200B, which actually was part of a bonus deal, but this one gets its own video. Automatic wire stripper. So this, I don't know if you've ever had one of these before, but these are the greatest things ever when you're doing wiring. I'll show you in a second with this little bit of extra wire from me and my buddy had to unfuckery a fire truck last night. So this was a buy one get one free for like $55. You get the stripper, the snippers, cutters, pullers, fun stuff. Anyway, these are self-adjusting from 10 AWG, which I guess automotive wiring gauge, 10 to 26 wire cutting from 10 to 22, cushioned handle, and auto ignition criminal carpenter 7 to 8 millimeter wire cutter 10 to W, non-insulated terminals, crimp 10 to 22 AW, self-adjusting wire stripper 10 to 26. Now, I'm not sure this necessarily will go 100% over to the home wiring. I imagine it probably still can use it. I don't really do that. I'm mostly an automotive kind of guy. But anyway, this is to replace an old pair I got off, ooh, this is nice, off eBay as a set with a snipper / crimper KYP for $12 like 5 years ago. And they've been working, but they were getting to the end of the life, not working as well. So let me show you the magic. So see how that, yeah, so these heads just grab the wire. Let me do a red one so it's easier to see. But like what it does, there you go, just pulls it and doesn't damage the wire. And this is like some 14 gauge. As you can see, it's amazing. It makes it so easy, doesn't really knurl it up. And it's also got a wire cutter here, so if you just need to do trim, you got all this hanging out and you want to trim it back, just go. Well, that didn't really work, but try this again. There we go. And the great thing with these Mac Tools, lifetime warranty. But yeah, you gotta put a little pressure, definitely. I'm just gonna put this wasted copper wiring and stuff right over here in my trash. But so, it's got the insulated crimper and the non-insulated. You got your insulated non. This is self-adjusting for multiple wire. And especially with my old one, it had a little trouble getting the what was it? The smaller wires, it had trouble with it. But yeah, this is awesome. And the grips are super great because this is what kills you on the wiring side. But yeah, this stuff's awesome. I'm really excited for this Z66. I'll put a link up for it, but definitely, if you don't have these and you do any amount of wiring, you should get it. Makes your life easier. You have a good one now. Bye-bye. Well, everyone, this is Z66, your undertrained, undershirt, and underpaid mechanic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, because tell your mama, tell your grandmother, tell your dog, because I can't do this alone, and I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good day now. Goodbye.